that was a good weekend of getting stuff done on the drift car. I'm really excited for the car to be one color again. All the fenders are matching. We got the new fender flares on there, all painted up. Just gotta wait a little bit for that one fender to fully dry before we can go ahead and put it on. We got a roof wing done for Aaron and a front lip done for Aaron as well, so he's super stoked we were able to do that. When we were changing my transmission fluid, we found a really bad Guibo flex disc for the drive shaft, so I'm super happy that I found that because I would have blown up for sure the next track day, and that would have been a day ruiner. It was actually so bad that it was like almost taking out my shift linkage because it was moving so much in there when I was drifting, and I had a really bad vibration when I was like taking off the line sometimes, so that was definitely part of the problem, if not the root of the problem. So we got that sorted out. But if you guys like this style of video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check the description for links and ways you can support the channel. With that being said, that is gonna be it for today's video, and we'll catch you guys next time.